Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you the little wheel locations for day 16 in Heartopia, the last day in this special quest. So in this Call of Wheels event, you can get a special quest from NPC Naughty, and then in here you must collect the photo of little wheels scattered around the map, the Whale Canyon map. And then so just go meet NPC Naughty and then just start to collect the photo every day. And if you missed the previous day, you can just check my tutorial in my Heartopia playlist to watch the tutorial. And then for today, for the last day, the day 16, the little wheel, the iridescent little wheels is located on here. You can see it, this one. So just it's located on here on the map over here near the jellyfish cave. And then so just take a photo, open your camera and then just take a photo of it like this, and just like that you will successfully unlock the little wheel for this last day. And then for the furniture bubble, the shell bubble is located on here, just still on this area like this. It's still at the same area over here. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.